What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Marsellis back with another video, and today we're going to be going over my stock portfolio, which isn't too diversified, but it's still a good portfolio right now. So right now I am up for the day on the pre-market. We did have a little dip last night, but that was just with crypto because I barely have any crypto right now. What I usually do is buy $1 or $2 of crypto just so I could watch it. And then when I see these percent changes down so much like this, which is actually incorrect, it's a little glitch because that's not down 35%. But yeah, I'll usually just put $1 or $2 in these just to watch it. And when I see it go down more than 5%, I'll go ahead and then buy it. As you can see here, my equity in these is like $1 each, maybe some change. And then up here, I did the same thing with the stocks, and I just got $1 in here. I'm just watching this one. And I'm waiting for it to get down to here before I buy it, around 290. This is one of Chris Sain's plays, so if you know about him, you know he makes a lot of people money, and he's made me a lot of money before, but I'm just waiting for this to go back down to 290. Maybe it won't, or maybe it will, but the main thing I'm looking at today here are the stock options. These options, I got calls all over here, and this call is for $1,000 for plug, a $32 call, and 2 contracts. The market's about to open, so as soon as that opens, I'm gonna sell these, and I'm pretty much in the green for most of them. But United Airlines, I'm down for that. It's a $60 call, and yeah, right now I think this is around $59. So after the pre-market, all of this should be up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sell them all. In Twitter, this one is a what is that, $70 call, and it's at $6.75 price right now, and $69.77. So yeah, Twitter, I'm gonna go ahead and sell that too once that goes up. Everything should be up, but yeah, options calls, they're actually, I would say, the best way to make money in the market right now since it's so volatile. But you also have to be careful because there's a lot of risk when you're doing options. And I'm just doing long calls, so I'm really not doing the risky versions of options. Because if you come over here and look at these options, I'm doing everything out into June 18th. And by me doing that, I have all the way up into June 18th for this stock to go up to $33, which with Biden's infrastructure plan, this is an electric vehicle company, Plug Power, and they don't actually make the electric vehicles. I don't think so. They deal with like chargers, I guess, but yeah, they're inside the electric vehicle industry. And with Biden's infrastructure plan, this is definitely going to be up. And I've made money on calls on this before, but I sold out really early. Sold out after I made $10 back in April 5th to April 6th. So I usually swing trade. I'll swing trade maybe like for a day or two holding something, and I think that's like the most safest option for me. But so far I'm doing all right. I'm trying to make back a loss from about a year ago, and that loss was playing the naked stock, NAKD. Yeah, NAKD stock. And I was up here. I only had a few $1,000s back then, and then I lost it all. But then I had put $700 into the TD Ameritrade account, which ended up turning into $20,000. And then I ended up losing $10,000 once all the stocks dropped. And stocks, I would say they dropped about 3 months ago. Almost all stocks dropped about 3 months ago. They all look similar to this, Tesla including that one. So I was up here at like 20K, and then everything dropped. And this, I feel like this has a lot to do with all the stimulus checks that we've been getting. And it's just been boosting the market up. And ever since the market got another stimulus check, like, we've just been climbing, and now we're kind of lowering down. But we're gonna start climbing again because I'm seeing that there's a lot of green days coming, like a lot of green stocks. Like if you come over here, everything's green for today. So not everything, but just about everything's green for today. And if you go over here, you can see stocks are up more, but the percentages are looking low, but it's still a green day. But yeah, just check out some of these options calls. And I wouldn't say to buy any of these because I'm not your financial advisor, and I like the swing trade stuff. I'm predicting this to be up at least $20 when the market opens in 2 minutes. But yeah, we'll definitely be watching out for that. And yeah, just continue to strive to get your money up. And I'm going for 100K on this account, and I only have 9.8 right now, but I guarantee when the market starts, it'll start going up. So I guess I'll just wait a minute, because it's about to come up in 1 minute. And yeah, after that comes up, I'm gonna sell all these stocks, and well, all these options I'm gonna sell. If they're green, if they're not green, if they're not up, then I'm just gonna hold them. And they're all out until July and June, so I'm not really worried if I have to hold them, because these are all good stocks and they're all gonna go well. And this is a recovery stock, Carnival Cruise Line. It's definitely gonna keep going up. Another recovery stock, no, that's Apple. Another recovery stock is United Airlines here, and that one's definitely gonna go up. So I have a lot of money tied up into these options. I'm a pretty risky option player when it comes to like how much I buy. And looks like the market has opened. Okay, so I'm down 162 on United Airlines. I'm gonna go ahead and sell everything out, so then I can make my money back on this one. It's looking like if I didn't buy the United Airlines contract, then I probably would have been on top today. But it is only a $60 contract, so if I continue to hold it and it jumps up to $60, and it will, because it's a recovery stock, and I'm projecting it to be at least at $60 within a week. But yeah, it's gonna keep going down and losing value, but I'm really not losing value if you think about it, because I'm gonna hold it. So let me go ahead and sell this option. Yep, there it is. And sell one option at 723. Update to 720. All right, I'm gonna sell this one and lock this in whenever that comes up. Okay, so wow, that's going down a lot. So I'm winning on everything but that United Airlines contract. Okay, let me go ahead and sell this. And things are very volatile right now, so I guess it's not the best time to be doing this, but I'm still gonna do it because I'm a risky player when it comes to this. But yeah, I'll put this there. Yeah, go ahead and sell this Twitter call as well. I could wait for these to gain more money, but I'm trying to get my money back so I could put it all in on one stock option, one that I'm very confident on. And that one's probably going to be Apple, because Apple is always doing good. Or it could be a SPY contract, SPY, but I'm going to do it on something worthwhile. This continues to go down, but I don't think it's going to do that for long. It's down $2 here, so once it starts going up later on throughout the day, it'll definitely reach back up to $60 by tomorrow at least, because it looks like we're just having a red day for today. But it should definitely continue to rise, because I don't think United Airlines is going to go down too much, since it is a recovery stock. And wow, yeah, that's going down a lot. I'm gonna keep on selling some of these, and then I'm just gonna end up putting it all on one, so then I could make all that money back. But yeah, options is really risky, and you can lose a lot of money. And I guess I did lose a lot. I lost 248, but I just see this all as a gain, because all this money was made off of $700, and that was made off of the stock HCMC. It's an OTC stock, and you could get that on TD Ameritrade, not Robinhood. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going on with this. I'm just gonna hold this contract. I'll probably end up holding it till about June 18th if it doesn't go up until then. But it will definitely go up before June 18th. That's why I bought it, and that's why I put so much money into it. But yeah, we're definitely gonna go up there. And this one is only up $15. I think I already put in a sell for it as well. Yeah, so I already put in a sell order, but it hasn't went through yet. Or no, I actually only sold one contract. Okay, that's what it was. Let me sell this last contract here and put this for $5. All right, that is sold. And Snapchat, I'm thinking about holding this contract, because I'm only up $35, and it keeps going up, and it'll go up even more if I hold it. And Snapchat is in a very good place right now. Yeah, it's a $65 cost, so I really do believe Snapchat will be 65. But looking at the 3-month chart, it could take it another month. Actually, I would say not another month, but like another week, to get up to 65. And I'm not sure if I want to hold it for that long because I'm already up $58. But if I do hold it for that long, I can make up my losses here. Yeah, let me go ahead and sell this and then find another contract to put my money into. See, I like to swing trade everything. If I would have just put all my money in the Snapchat, that would be about $500 that I would have made, or maybe about $1,000. But that's why I don't really like to diversify. I like to put it all in one thing that I know is good, but people say don't put all your eggs in one basket. But I'm gonna start listening to myself more, I guess, because then if I didn't do that, I would have made a lot of money. But if I would have put all my money into United Airlines, I also would have lost it all. But not if I continue to hold it to where I'm holding it to, which would be July 18th. And that would be about 3 months out. So yeah, I definitely think this one is going to be worth holding. I'm just going to have to bear through this. It's about a 15% drop right now. So, but yeah, overall, I'm still doing good in the market. I might just put in on cryptos for now. Ethereum Classic has been doing good, and yeah, I might put in on Ethereum Classic, and everything else has been doing good in the market, but I don't know how it's looking right now, so let's check that. We might be up, we might be down. Okay, yeah, so it's looking like a mixture of positive and negative stocks. So what I'll probably end up doing now is doing another option, but doing it on something else, maybe Snapchat again, because Snapchat has a very good history. But yeah,